Stressed is not a strong enough word I would use when it comes to describing some of the people I've spoken to recently. Does that resonate with you at all? So allow me to share with you my story. When I was a young boy, my childhood looked idyllic. When I was 10 years of age, my father became disabled. When I was 11 years of age, my mother died and I was sent off to boarding school, and this added to the pressure pushing down on me. When I was 19 years of age, my father died. I was stressed, I was anxious, I was traumatized, I was jumping from job to job, not knowing what I wanted to do. At this point in time, I'd found music as a career. It was really rewarding for me. I spent most of my time in the recording studio or in the rehearsal studio or even out playing live. Playing live was like a meditation for me, especially the times when I found myself on stage with excellent musicians and we used to improvise on the music that we'd learned in the rehearsal studios. It was fascinating watching these moments reveal themselves bit by bit. It was a meditation for me, and it helped to relieve those feelings of stress and anxiety. Unfortunately, these moments started to disappear as the live performance opportunities started to dwindle, so did my career. Luckily for me, at this point, I'd found mindfulness and meditation, which helped me transform from feeling stressed and anxious to feeling whole and complete again. So I wanted to give back. I started teaching in elderly community centres. I started teaching in businesses. I started teaching in schools. I met people who were so stressed and anxious and their minds spinning around and around and around, they couldn't really think properly. I guided them back to feeling whole and complete and to be able to think clearly. I met people who felt so isolated, felt like they were losing touch with their friends and family even. I guided them back to a place of feeling more sociable and more content with their life. I met people in their workplace who just weren't resonating with their bosses, weren't resonating with their workmates or even with their work. I guided them back to a place of acceptance and even to a place of change. At this point, I realized meditation and mindfulness is transformational. It's not about going and sitting on the side of a mountain, shaving your head and chanting Om, even though I do a bit of that. It's about you transforming your life into where you want to take it. So what have I done for you? I've created a half-an-hour workshop with 5 simple meditation and mindfulness techniques that you can try right here, right now, and it's absolutely free. And you can discover what mindfulness and meditation can actually do for you. You can really discover this. That's all you got to do is click the link, do the workshop, and I'll see you on the other side.